Hey guys, I want to show you all what I just ran across for some viable options for tiny housing or emergency housing. So check this out. Hey guys, let me show you this structure here. I just was over here getting an insulated well house. Let me show you here. I buy these for the rainwater systems. But they had a 14 by 30 building here, and it is completely set up and ready to go. They've already got all the electric ran, all the switches. It's got 2 lofts, okay? A loft over here, got a separate room here. I don't know, maybe this would be like a laundry room or a pantry. This is all insulated. It's all like a 1-inch foam. Okay, they've got outlets already ran in the loft and all around. Okay, so it's 14 foot wide, 30 foot long. Here's another room back here with a vanity set up. So it's already, I guess there'd be your bathroom, and you got plenty of room to be able to do a shower there. Another little cubby here. And you got some storage on the back side of those stairs. But if you were needing some emergency housing or deer camp housing, or you're trying to prep, okay, and have a spot, this place here, so 14 by 30 comes out to 420 square feet. So if you do gutters on it and set up rainwater catchment, you're going to get about 262 gallons of water per 1 inch of rain. You know, this is move-in ready, really. You'll have to set in a shower and a toilet if that's what you're going to do, but you could do a composting toilet. That would negate your need for a septic system. And then you could just do gray water line for your shower. And you could do a kitchenette in this cubby here. There's already plenty of outlets. Okay, you can go to Home Depot's got a good deal on cabinetry, and there's a few other like wholesale suppliers on cabinets. I can't remember the name of them here right off the top of my head. But this place it's in Stigler, Oklahoma. These buildings are already insulated. Okay. And the price on this one, as it sets, is $14,000. Like $14,137, I think, was their total asking price. You could do a mini split in here. It's already insulated. Your electric's already ran. I mean, like, you could set this thing and you could move in a week and finish up the last little pieces as you go. Very viable option for, you know, a guest house, hunting cabin, or maybe your little house in the woods. So anyways, I was here and thought that I would give you all a walkthrough on the deal and show you what it was. You know, I'm not affiliated with them. I just came over here to pick up a well house. This is where I pick up the pump house structures that I use for the rainwater catchment systems, because they're all pre-insulated. And they make these buildings out of those same pre-insulated panels. So check it out. The name is Davis Buildings out of Stigler, Oklahoma. Again, no affiliation. They're not going to recognize me if you call them and ask or tell them I sent you. I mean, right on, but it's not going to make a difference. But when I run across viable options for housing, I feel like the people should know, and you are the people. So pretty decent. I mean, if I just needed a place, this would definitely be on my list. So anyways, check it out. Mountain Wizard out, guys. I'm just trying to help you get prepared and keep your homesteads rolling and improve your life. So we'll catch y'all next time. If you found this like useful or you're interested in stuff like this, drop a like, comment, whatever down below. All right, we'll catch y'all next time. See ya. Out.